Gusto ko lang humirit. Nagulat din ako sa AKAP at mas lalo akong nagulat sa halaga. 26.7 billion. Isang programa na ngayon ko lang natuklasan at ngayon lang narinig, pero may bilin dito sa text, all soft projects including AKAP must go through the office of the Speaker. AKAP, AIX, TUPAD, MAIP for the PI and other efforts.
Saan lang galing itong budget? Baligtad na pala ang budgeting process natin. Ang Kongreso na magde-decide kung anong project i-implement ninyo. Hindi pala kayo ang nagre-request sa Congress na project na papunduhan, program na papunduhan. Baligtad eh.
Madam Chair.
Sa totoo lang, ang version ng Senado, tinanggal ko na po yan dahil ang pakiwari ko, walang programa ang pamahalaan na pag-aari ng sino man. Kinakailangan, lahat sumasapi dyan, at dahil dito, kinakailangan na pag-isahin na, isaayos na natin ang mga guidelines.
Oh, are you saying there's no AKAP in the Senate version?
Yes, I deleted it entirely.
How much did you delete, Mr. President, Madam Chair?
Yes, 39 billion which was added in the House version.
Kung bago ka lang dito sa NTPH, maaari bang makahingi ng isang like at subscribe? At huwag kalimutan pindutin ang notification bell para ma-notify kapag may ganito tayong upload. Salamat kabayan!
Pag ako'y pipirma, paninindigan ko yan. Pwede mo akong maikulong dyan kung pumirma ako at pwede akong mamatay dyan sa pirma na yan. Diba? Sa atin, sa ordinaryong tao. Kaya yung tao na yon, tulungan rin natin na ma-preserve yung kailang dignity. They want to get back their dignity na hindi sila maloko sa ginaganon. O ito, merong card dito. Pirma kayo, bigyan kayo ng card. Later on, that card can be claimed for cash ayuda from the government. Yun ang sabi sa kanila. So, please, Commissioner, gawin niyo po. Thank you.
Yes, Madam Chair, Your Honor.
Thank you, Madam
Maraming salamat po. We will do that immediately. Madam Chair.
Yes, maraming salamat at gusto ko lang humirit. Nagulat din ako sa AKAP at mas lalo akong nagulat sa halaga. 26.7 billion. Isang programa na ngayon ko lang natuklasan at ngayon lang narinig, pero may bilin dito sa text, all soft projects, including AKAP, must go through the office of the Speaker. AKAP, AIX, TUPAD, MAIP for the PI and other efforts.
Madam
Yes,
Chair,
Senator JB,
Ako rin
please.
medyo naging curious sa AKAP. Ngayon ko lang narinig eh. No? Siguro can ask the SWD, what is this program about? Is it just between the House and... kasi wala ho kami sa Senate na alam niyan eh. So is it with the SWD and the House of Representatives, yung program?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, AKAP is just as foreign to us, technically, as Senator Bato, as it is provided
Yes,
in
Yusek
line
Di Mapuro,
item.
I understand that it's under the DSWD budget. If you recall, in the Senate, I handle the DSWD budget, but like the COMELEC's mysterious addition of 12 billion, this 26.7 billion in the budget of the DSWD is alien to me.
Yes.
Madam Chair, if this WD declares that is foreign to them, saan lang galing itong budget? Baligtad na pala ang budgeting process natin. Ang Kongreso na magde-decide kung anong project i-implement ninyo. Hindi pala kayo ang nagre-request sa Congress na project na papunduhan, program na papunduhan. Baligtad eh.
Madam Chair, it is not an exclusive project or program for Congress. It will be regular program, but it is technically foreign in the sense that it has no guidelines yet.
Yes, Yusek
So
Di
it does not
Mapuro, did you
exist as
request
a
for this
program.
project? Was it in the NAP? It was not.
No.
There we go. Yes. Do we allot sums of money, enormous sums of money such as this, almost 27 billion, for a project or a program that is undefined, unnamed, unfamiliar, with no guidelines whatsoever, with no target beneficiaries, and is just left open? Is this the usual practice in the DSWD?
Not necessarily a usual practice
Not
in the
necessarily.
DSWD.
So sometimes the SWD has these magical projects that no one has ever heard of before?
We don't create magical projects, Madam Chair. These are
But
part
when
of
is
the
it
GAA.
necessary? You said not necessarily. So there are times when it is necessary to invent projects?
There are times when there are necessary projects to
Yes, you have QRF and you have all kinds of emergency
Yes.
assistance. I'm very familiar. Why do you have to invent ACAP?
ACAP is not invented. I
But you
believe
just said that guidelines and the purposes had not been established.
yes, guidelines have to go through proper policy procedures. So
Pero
it's not
linagyan na ng
invented out
pera,
of the
walang
air.
nakakaintindi kung paano gagawin, kung kanino ibibigay. Walang kaplano-plano pero may pera na.
Madam Chair, there are programs that are provided by the GAA for NGAs to implement. But before we
Yes,
do
with all
implement,
due
we have
respect,
to...
USEC, that is not the usual budget process we're familiar with. There's always a very well-defined project or program before a line item magically appears in the GAA. It's fought over, debated, and discussed very, very thoroughly in the subcommittees as well as the plenary. This wasn't.
Madam Chair, we are currently creating the guidelines, and we would be happy to share with...
Parang baliktad naman yata yung buhay natin. Ngayon mag-iimbento ng dahilan, magdi-design ng project, pupunteriya yung mga beneficiary. Pero in the meantime, linagyan muna ng bilyon-bilyon. Yan na ba talaga ang patakaran ng DSWD?
Madam Chair, for programs that are intended for the poor, vulnerable, and disadvantaged, we welcome, obviously, more programs, and we would be grateful to be able to implement these other programs.
Yeah, I'm familiar with your mandate, but nothing in your mandate indicates that you should be inventing projects and that you are exempt from usual budgetary study and procedure. I'm sorry.
Madam Chair, kaya siguro nagkaganon dahil hindi talaga sa kanila yung programa na yan.
Gagawa lang sila ngayon.
Oo, hindi talaga sa kanila. With due respect naman, in fairness to Yusek Di Vaporo, bago nga yan sa kanya. Sabi nga niya, foreign eh. Hindi niya alam. So, huwag ka mag-alala. We are not faulting you for that. Kaya we are just investigating dahil the usual mangyari is meron ng bahay yung pondo, like AX. Kung sisingit man yung meron mang intervention dyan during the BICAM, ang lower house at saka upper house, the most that they can do is siguro dagdagan yung amount ng AX na yan. Pero may bahay na yan. Pero yung gagawa ng bagong bahay dyan during the BICAM, I don't know how feasible is that. Kaya nga sabi ng aming chairman, it's very magical. Kayo mismo, DSWD, hindi nyo alam na, uy, boom! May
teka.
ACAP pala na ganito kalaki.
Ito may nabasa lang ako bigla, o naalala ko lang bigla. Sabi ni Yusek Di Mapuro, hindi kita inaaway wag mo ipagtanggol yung ACAP pag hindi mo alam. Kasi lahat kami hindi alam. Kahit sinasabi ng DSWD, wala silang alam tungkol sa guidelines, foreign itong project, at linagay lang dyan, nasa press release na yung ACAP will provide 5,000 cash payment to 12 million poor households. Are you aware of that?
Yeah, I've read those press releases,
But isn't
Madam
this a mere
Chair.
duplication of so many programs already initiated by previous administrations, the 4Ps and then the AIX, the never-ending ayuda, SAP 1, SAP 2, walang katapusan to. So this is hardly a guideline. Pero ang liwanag na, nangako na ng 5,000 sa
Madam Chair,
12 million households. Baka hindi mo alam.
Madam Chair, I cannot confirm whether those are the numbers that are decided on, as we don't have any guidelines yet.
Pamaskong handong to lumabas sa PNA December 27.
Well, for our Christmas programs, or we don't have ACAP in any of our Christmas programs, I can say that definitively. But with regard to any pronouncements of how ACAP will be implemented and what amounts will be provided through ACAP, we don't have guidelines for that yet, Madam
Sige,
Chair.
Yusek, ganito na lang, magtulungan na lang tayo. Alamin natin ang mga detalye nitong programang to, pareho kami ni Senator Bato, ni Senator JV, Senator Risa, nagugulat po kami kung saan to galing at ano ibig sabihin.
Yes po, Madam Chair. And I'd also like to say that we are very open to many innovations and new programs in DSWD. And it is not a new thing where we create something new.
Madam Chair, just to add.
Okay lang yan, okay lang.
I'm not gonna fight with you over that, but that's completely inaccurate and untrue. Okay, Senator Bato, please.
Pagkuha ko lang kay Yusek na walang problema. Wala kang problema ito sa amin. Huwag ka mag-alala. Ang
Huwag
amin
ka
lang talaga
mag-alala.
is, nagulat lang kami sa Senado. Akap. Hindi namin nakita yan sa, kahit na ilang araw mo pag-aralan yung NEP, kahit ilang araw mo pag-aralan yung GAB, hanggang sa kwan, hindi mo talaga makita yan. Nagulat na lang kami ngayon na may ganyan pala. Ikaw nga, nagulat ka eh. Sa inyong departamento yan. Okay lang, pareho tayong nagulat ngayon.
A happy
Huwag kang
surprise,
mag-alala.
Senator
Ha?
Bato, Madam Chair. A happy surprise because it will help the disadvantaged
Yeah.
at the end of the day.
Hindi, walang problema yan.
Hindi, okay lang yan.
Kung mapunta sa taong bayan yan, importante yan. Okay ako, walang problema. Yung nga lang, siguruhin ninyo ha, dahil ang PNP ngayon, nagbabantay na pag mag-release kayo, na babawasan na naman yung pera, ang 10,000, ibigay sa tao, tapos ibalik yung, bawiin yung 9,000, 1,000 lang maiwan doon sa tao. You hear that during our hearings, di ba?
Yes, Madam
kaya
Chair, we
bantayan
are
ninyo
happy
talaga
for the
yan.
support of PNP to help
Yeah.
us in those payment areas.
Over from 2023
Ilang buwan
and
po,
2024.
ilang buwan ang kakulangan sa pagbayad ng social pension? Usually, nakakausap ko 6 months eh.
Wala talaga sila sa listahan at all. Never sila nabayaran. Ni kailan, ni
These are
minsan,
new,
ni
mga
anumang buwan.
Mga bagong senior citizens na wala sa listahan. Pero may mga nakakausap po ako na dating tumatanggap, tapos huminto po at may mga backlog sa pagbayad. Tama na. I know.
Sa palagay ko, hindi dapat mangyayari yun. Yung mga bagong seniors, doon talaga wala tayong pambayad. Pero kung dati nang nasa listahan, baka nadidelay lang or nagkakatagalan lang.
Okay.
Pero dapat mabayaran sila.
Thank you for that assurance. So, yung mga bago pong senior citizens lamang ang hindi nababayaran, pero yung mga dating nang nasa listahan ay backlog, may pera pong nakalaan na dapat mabayaran silang updated. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. Tuloy-tuloy ang bayad kung nasa listahan ka na. Ang problema, lumulobo nga yung numero at hindi kinakaya ng ating budget.
Where are the funds? In LGUs remitted by DSWD or in central, in the region?
Yes, the funds are transferred direct to the LGUs.
Okay, so it's the LGU's responsibility to update the payment of social pension for as long as they've received it before. Is
Yan na
that
nga ang
accurate to
problema.
say?
Masipag sila mag-update. Wala naman tayong pambayad.
No, but you said that as long as they've received before, there are funds
Yes,
transmitted.
they should be paying, pero yung sinasabing update, updated sa payment, pero hindi updated sa listahan kasi nadadagdagan nga eh.
Okay. So, wag ko na rin po dagdagang aking tanong kasi lalo po akong nalulungkot sa kakulangan ng ating pagbibigay ng serbisyo publiko. Not to blame the DSWD because they're really very, very hard-working workhorses. I see them every week. Thank you for the service of our payout masters, of those who are only job orders, for those we call even midnight, and those we kinukulit namin kasi tayo rin kinukulit ng mga tao, di ba, na nangangailangan. So thank you to the hardworking women and men of the DSWD led by the very hardworking secretary. So I will no longer ask my long questions because I fully support your budget and I wish I could help you increase if there's some pie we could slice to put it in the DSWD. So, yung tanong ni Senate President, Presiding Officer pro tempore na AKAP, ibig sabihin po niyan, ang mga senators pwede rin pumunta po sa mga AKAP, ganun ba ho yun? Gusto ko lang malaman yun. I think yun ang gustong malaman nung Senate President pro tempore na hindi niya kinumpleto ang tanong niya.
Pwede siguro. Lahat tayo gate crusher po.
Bakit naman po gate crusher? Kung AX po yan, or AKAP, or SLP, yan po ay puhunan ng gobyerno.
Yeah, that's the funds of the government, so we can
Yes.
Can we
Okay,
facilitate the
it's
release?
on record. For the first time, naririnig ko, pwede raw po pumunta kahit hindi kumbidado.
Ay, hindi. So, ibig sabihin po, ang AKAP ay parang AIC, parang SLP ay maaring puntahan. Anong kaibahan naman po ng AKAP sa AIC? O pareho lang po?
Alam niyo, nakakatuwa yung AKAP dahil biglang sumulpot yan. Wala naman sa NEP, wala naman sa DSWD budget, wala man lang sa wishlist nila. Biglang sumulpot nung nakaraang taon at matapos yun, tinatanong ng lahat, ano ba talaga yung programang yan? Biglang Pebrero, katapusan ng Marso, tsaka lang lumabas yung mga guidelines. Kaya ang sabi nila, minimum wage earners and low-income earners. Ang tanong ko, pareho ba yan ng AIX? Hindi daw, kasi ito daw minimum wage. At sabi ko, may minimum wage rin na namatayan na tumatanggap ng AIX. Hindi ba pareho yan? Kaya't nakakalito po. At sa totoo lang, ang version ng Senado, tinanggal ko na po yan. Dahil ang pakiwari ko, walang programa ang pamahalaan na pag-aari ng sino man. Kinakailangan, lahat sumasapi dyan, at dahil dito, kinakailangan na pag-isahin na, isaayos na natin ang mga guidelines.
Or are you saying there's no AKAP in the Senate version?
Yes, I deleted it entirely.
How much did you delete, Mr. President, Madam Chair?
Yes, 39 billion, which was added in the House version, and 41 billion added for AIX.
And we're saying that the 39 billion in the Senate version was reduced. And where did you put the 39 billion AKAP? Back to
I
AIX?
leave it to the wisdom of the leadership, and I hope that during the BICAM this can be discussed. My recommendation is, while we recognize the necessity of immediate relief by direct financial assistance, it's imperative that we focus also on social protection initiatives such as those mentioned by yourself, the SLP, Kalahi Seeds, which foster long-term development and self-reliance rather than creating a new ayuda nation. Ayaw natin nun, ano? Kaya eto nga, pinopropose ko na sana dagdagan yung iba na developmental at sa kabila nun, ipagkaisa na ang AIX at AKAP para hindi na nagkakaroon ng selusan, ng turuan, ng kalabuan.
Okay. I will stop at that. But to be fair, my brother is a congressman, and I've heard that he helps or joins in AKAP, and the needs of our constituents, our Kasimanwas, are also served. So thank you to the SWD.
Yes,
I am not familiar with AKAP. I know AIX, but whatever name of the program is, malaking tulong po. Tuwing meron pong darating dyan na DSWD, AIX at Paymaster, nakangiti po ang mga nahihirapan na ating mga kababayan. So,
Tama po yun. Kaya sang-ayon po ako na sana pag-isahin na yung pondo para malaking-malaki, lahat ng hihingi, mabigyan ka agad, wag na natin paghiwalayin, wala nang turuan, wala nang sisihan, wala nang akuhan na amin lang to, wala nang ganun. Basta may pondo dyan, handa para sa nangangailangan. Ganun lang kasimple. Isahin na natin, at sana madali na natin kunin para sa lahat ng target beneficiaries, all persons subsisting below the poverty line, unemployed, formally employed, self-employed, seasonally, periodically employed, those in crisis or emergency situations such as severe, extended illness, disability, death in the family, working in economically hard-hit sectors, victims of natural man-made disaster, calamity, pandemics, war, or other violence. And it shall be used for food, nutritional, medical, funeral services, educational, livelihood, and other financial assistance.
Thank you very much to the Chair for your very comprehensive answer to my question on the programs of the SWD. And I will probably initiate a piece of legislation to institutionalize at least one program, the SLP, assuming that no one has filed that yet. But thank you so much, Madam Chair, for so for all the information that you've given. And
At
I
sana
would like-
sumportahan rin ninyo itong kung ano man yung pangalan niya, kung AIX o AKAP o ano man pangalan na
Yes.
bago mahanap natin, sana suportahan rin ninyo ang pagkakaisa nitong pondo at institutionalize na dahil malaking tulong sa ating mga kababayan.
I will leave it to the better judgment of the chair and the leadership, and I would like to thank Secretary Rex Gatchalian, who is just always half a call away. He answers the calls right away, and if he misses it, he's on a flight, he will text and call you back. That's the epitome of a public servant. So thank you also to all in the SWD, especially the 4A and the 6 and everybody in the regions. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Ligardo. Before I recognize the Majority Leader, only one question, Senator Marcos. What is the difference between AKAP and TUPAD? Because you were saying a while ago, minimum wage.
AKAP po and TUPAD.
Yes.
Ang TUPAD nasa DOLE.
Yes, I know.
Hindi siya
Yung
sakop ng DSWD.
Ang binibigay niyo ba sa AKAP, minimum wage din? Kasi sa TUPAD, under DOLE, ang binibigay minimum wage. Kung saan ka, kunwari sa Metro Manila, 700 plus, yun din binibigay per day, pero magtatrabaho kayo. What is the difference between AKAP and TUPAD?
Ang TUPAD maliwanag na cash for work. May
Yes.
trabaho. Yung AKAP, binibigay lang.
Magkano po binibigay?
Based sa menu ng pangangailangan. Yung iba't iba, yung burial assistance, medical, hospital, kung
What is the
ano-ano.
maximum amount that you can give an individual?
Ang maximum 10,000. At sinasabi natin na kinakailangan malimitahan sa 6 na buwan. Minsanan lang ang bigay.
One time, big time.
Pero maximum nga 10,000 pesos.
What is the minimum that you can give from the funds of AKAP?
Ang minimum, pangkaraniwan, 2,000, 2,000. Pangkaraniwan, 3,000.
Alright. Pero hindi mo kailangan pagtrabahuan yan, no? Katulad sa...
Ay,
sa
walang
TUPAD.
trabaho
Walang
dyan.
trabaho.
Ang sinasabi, sa nangangailangan.
Alright. Thank you very much for enlightening this representation. Majority Leader?
Yes, Mr. President. Next to interpolate is Senator Bongo. I move that he be recognized.
Senator Bongo is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, and to the DSWD led by Secretary Rex Gatchalian. Mr. President, sa dalawang budget hearings po ng DSWD, nanawagan po tayo na huwag po pahirapan ng mga mahirap at bilisan po ang paghahatid ng serbisyo sa nangangailangan, especially po itong AIX, no? Assistance in Crisis Situation sa mga nangangailangan talaga. Ang tunay na pagmamalasakit, walang pinipili, walang pinapaboran, at walang halong politika. Do not be selective. At sabi ko nga sa inyo, bawat buhay, kayo na nagsabi, sabi nyo nga, bawat buhay, mahalaga po sa DSWD. At ako naman po ay full support parati sa ating DSWD for the past 8 years, no? At ako po ay patuloy na sumusuporta naman po sa inyong departamento. Basta tulungan nyo lang po yung mga mahihirap nating kababayan. Yan lang po ang pakiusap ko. Madam Sponsor, meron na po akong konting question lang, no, about the JAW. Ito po yung JAW ng Malasakit Centers. Meron na pong Joint Administrative Order at napirmahan po ito ng DSWD. Maalala ko last year during budget hearing, nag-follow up na po ako nito, and umabot na po ng 14 months ay hindi pa po na-implement po ito. Ganito po ang sitwasyon. Pumirma na po ang DOH, pumirma po ang PhilHealth, pumirma po ang DSWD, ang isang opisina, ahensya, ang PCSO, ang hindi pa po pumipirma. Siguro marahil meron talagang ahensya na ayaw tumulong sa mga kababayan nating mahihirap. Ang current JAW po, DSWD is limited to financial assistance, transportation, burial, food. Nung ni-revise po yung JAW, aside from financial assistance, DSWD will be able to provide medical assistance inside Malasakit Centers through guarantee letters. Kaya nga po itong Malasakit Center, it's a one-stop shop naman po siya. Nasa batas po yan na mas makakatulong po sa ating mga kababayan na hindi na sila kailangan pang pumunta ng regional offices, hindi na sila kailangan pumunta ng provincial offices ng DSWD para humingi ng tulong. Malaking ginhawa po ito sa mga kababayan natin na nangangailangan po ng tulong na wag na natin silang pahirapan pa. Ang hirap pong magkasakit, wala silang trabaho, wala silang malapitan, andyan na yung center, one-stop shop. May pondo naman po kayo sa AIX. Di ba ang pondo nyo sa AIX, magkano po yun for 2024?
34B.
Tumataginting na 34 billion ang AIX, no? Magkano na hong nagamit nyo rito?
Ang alam ko, naubos na nga yun, nagpadagdag na sa QRF at kung saan-saan pa dahil sa dami ng kalamidad.
Di ba yung AIX na avail naman po ng mga biktima ng kalamidad o yung mga binibigyan po ng ayuda sa kahit saan, sa buong parte ng Pilipinas, including sa mga malls, no? Ang pakiusap ko lang sana sa DSWD, kung pwede nyo naman pong gamitin ito for medical assistance. Malaking tulong po ito. Halimbawa, magbibigay lang po ako ng example sa CREX. May billing po ang isang pasyente, 87,000. Alam naman natin ang PhilHealth, ang case rate nila. Minsan, ang binabawas, ayun, merong isang provincial health officer ng Camarines Norte, 4 million yung kanyang billing, ang binawas ng PhilHealth, 27,000. Kaya nakakainis nga itong PhilHealth, habang naghihingalo yung mga pasyente, sila naman sobra-sobra yung reserve fund, 500 billion. Kaya hindi natin ito tinitigilan. O balikan ko po yung halimbawa natin, 87,000 ang hospital billing. Binawasan po ng PhilHealth ng 5,000. Meron pa siyang 82,000. Binawasan ng, kung walang PCSO doon sa Malasakit Center, so hindi makakatulong yung PCSO kasi kulang yung personnel nila. Binawasan ng DOH, ng MAIFIP, 20,000. So meron pa siyang 62,000. Mangungutang pa ito. Isasangla yung Carabao, ibibenta yung refrigerator.